Here I have TCL Tab 10, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and then when you're just in normal camera mode, hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let me show you. Just hold it. As you can see right now I took like 20 shots. Here you can review them. Got it. So yeah, just like this. Nice, yeah? And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.